Firstly, thank you for investing your time in learning TikTok ads. During this course, we will go through TikTok ads in depth, and by the end of the course, you will be confident of launching your own ads on TikTok. Let me first start by giving you an introduction about TikTok. TikTok was launched in 2016 and it has been growing at a tremendous speed. It already has more than 1.5 billion downloads and more than 500 million active users worldwide. Available in 150 plus countries, it's directly competing with Instagram and Snapchat. It is more famous among youngsters. Users are spending close to 1 hour on the app daily. Hence, it's time you pay serious attention to TikTok. So, let's get started with TikTok ads. You first need to visit ads.tiktok.com and it will take you to the landing page. This is where you can start creating an account. So once you scroll down, you can also see that which countries they are available in. Then if you go down more, you can also see that you can advertise not only on TikTok but also the other apps that they have. So this is News Republic, this is Halo, this is Baby, this is the Vigo video, this is Buzz video, this is TikTok, this is Top Buzz and more. Once you scroll down, you will also see other inspiration stories where you can read about other brands that have marketed on TikTok and how did it go for them. So you can click on read full story and you'll see the entire case study over here, which can give you ideas on how you can use TikTok to build your brand. So let's get started.
So to begin, click on create ad. Once you click on create ad, you will get an option to select your country, which you can see here. So I'm selecting India. So there are two options here. Where do you want to use your account? How do you want to use your account? One is if you have your own business, you're promoting like a business where you're selling goods or you're providing any services, you select the option one. If you are an agency, let's say you are doing business, you're going to do promotions for other businesses, you can also select option one. Second option is where you are a person where you are promoting yourself. Like you have a personal website, you have a personal page and you want to promote that, you can select on the second option. For now, the second option is not available directly, so when you click on next, you will see that they will ask you for your contact info. So you can leave your contact info and they will get back to you once they are live. It's on approval only. So we go back. When you click on business of promoting goods and services, right now they're giving a rupees 2000 cashback once you spend 2000 rupees in your account, so it's a good time to sign up right now. Click on get coupon and continue. Enter your phone number, your email or phone password and verification code that will come to your email or phone number, and then you click on sign up.